releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, guys? Both Sanders came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, Wagwan peeps. Happy Thursday. Oh, I forget. Today is Valentine's Day. Yeah. Yo, happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers out there. To all the couples that's gonna get all fitted and pretty and celebrate each other, you know, the love, the unconditional love you may have for each other, you know, or what you have for each other, you know, celebrating, you know what I'm saying? A day exclusively dedicated to the lovers. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? I know y'all beautiful ladies be fixing up yourself, you know what I mean? And looking nice and have y'all beautiful plans for later, you know, all guys we gon' be cleaning up from head to toe, you know what I'm saying? Looking all clean and sassy, you know what I'm saying? For that, you know what I'm saying? A special lady, but yeah, unfortunately for me, that special lady ain't here.
This is why I love you.
She don't do that, she ain't chatting up. Oh God. I'm so lonely. Oh, you're so lonely. You don't want to it. Y'all come back here. You see what they don't try that boy here?
Bruh.
Yeah. Well, Grumpy, so. Yeah, man, so with us there. Happy Valentine's Day to all the lovers. You know what I mean? Celebrating yourself. Go out. You know what I mean? Expressing yourself to one another. Not just saying that I love you with chocolate and so, but really celebrating one another. Dig deep, you know what I mean? If you have anything you want to have by your heart and you want to take it out or release it, do it. You know what I mean? Tell them how you appreciate them very much. Not just what they give you, but being the special person that you care about. So it's really about celebrating one another, apart from the whole history where them so bring it in. But it's a wonderful gesture. But not only that, not only today, but celebrate each other every day. You know what I mean? Love each other. Relationship is a team thing. You see it? Not me and how me feel, but us. What makes you happy. You know what I mean? Compromising. Looking out for one another is a team thing, a half-half thing. Oh, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So all them things there. So today is Valentine's Day, guys. We're going to touch road. And make we see what I go on today. We'll touch all over the place and see how Jamaican people celebrate Valentine's Day. So journey with your boy. Whoop! Yo, them song are emotional. You just want to fall in love. I like to tell big brother them song are not bad. Yo, we just want... You just love, girl. We just want married Eddie Grandop. John, girl. Still don't get that feeling. Jesus, book, come on. Real darling. Yo, yeah, deny me on camera. I'm going to fling all this and buy back. Buy alright after I'm done fling it. We have to go back nice now, guys. I'm not violent. Woo! Them song, yeah. Woo! Real darling. Yo!
Valentine's Day from Bev to Vlog World.
This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you. Because you.
It was at this moment.
Bruh.
Me and her on Netflix and chill until when the sun come up.
Welcome, Vlog World. Good morning. So, sorry I never get to finish the Valentine's Day vlog and go road and be trouble as me did say. Yo, yesterday they just full of beer crosses. Don't mind this is the green backdrop whenever I stream. And see the full screen and feel like me in the game. But anyway, yo, I be things going yesterday. Yo, my kick off. They did start rough work wise. You know what I mean? Cause my work rough and hey fall, tap me nice now. Yeah, my work rough and thing. And so right. Then yo, one of my co-worker them collapse in our lobby area cause yo, our mother died in an accident. I come look for she yesterday. Yo, then one woman push by my work, I walk down the stairs and turn right over. My virgin meet in an accident. But I'm alright. The car mash up. And thing just down the road from the office. Yo. And then elevator stuck. And then lastly, me just, yo, we just kick off, yo. My cup just overflow. And I just basically just call my manager and just start real laugh. I never want to tell you what I do. But just not say a 10-minute worth of my head just chip. Yeah man, I never respond, man. I feel away still. But you know when people drive you there so, yeah man, you see it. It's a cool you, but I just not take foolishness from people, you know what I mean? And stylings. You know what I mean? But anyway guys, I want to go all the reason with God and sort that out. So I can start smiling back again. Let's go guys, today is Friday. Wanna touch the road? Wanna touch the road? Country road. Make a put on clothes. What's up guys, boys and coming in the building, like, comment and subscribe. Nothing can stop us cause God I'm a rock. Turn with the boy. Whoop. Yo! Vlog world, it's a beautiful Sunday. Yeah. In the back of my full yard. My yard is half full right now. The tree limb drop down. Drop a ground there so. Yeah, I got a big ass backyard. It look like jungle. Oh! Yeah. But me there, Vlog world. Happy Sunday to you people. I never get to do nothing. I never do nothing. Cause I have to stay home with my mother, guys. She did surgery. You see it. She did laser eye surgery. So she can't really stay home alone. So I have to dip on the ends. Never get to touch no road or nothing. I was supposed to link Mackie from last week. But they do a show. You know what I mean? They want to go Sigma today too. Get some content for y'all. Because I know say that not shot too. Y'all forget about that. Never get to do that. But yeah, you don't know moms that say you don't know the thing set. Everything for a reason, you see it. But the other week have been a rough week. As me there tell you now. Or if me never tell you now. A rough week man. Me and somebody kick off, you know what I mean? Yo man, I feel all the beg or some forgiveness there. You know how long me no cuss bad word? Yeah, me say me, yeah, about 10 minutes worth of bad word me tell that on the phone. Draw me out, vlog world. God know. God see and know me not do a proper prayer to God yet and ask for forgiveness. Yo, draw me out and make my cup overflow, brother. You know what I mean? Yo, I just can't take foolishness from people, brother. And that's my pet peeve, you see it? Because I'm a nice person, guys. So when you start being all rude and disrespectful, yo, no, bro, don't be playing with me, man. Then you go get it, because I'm a nice person, you see it? Tolerance level turn up. I guess I just couldn't take it no more. After 18 years, all them years, you see it? I'm saying, I just snapped. But it's not right though, guys, you know what I mean? But for me, I was always the youth who just cool back and give people the benefit of the doubt. But I guess it just reach a level where I'm just gonna just take it no more. You see it, vlog world. And I'm just kick off, but there. Hope you guys be. Yo, the sun be lighted, dog. Look at that sun. Yo, God, you be blessing me. Alright, I'm being stupid right now. Yeah, man, so I'm there. Vlog world, hope you guys been enjoying the vlog so far. Hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day and all them stuff there. You know what I mean? Yeah, me just there. I go and take it easy, guys, and big up on yourself. And we just hit 3,000 subscribers, guys. Clap yourselves. Oh yeah, 3,000. Yeah, me need to name that vlog all over the place, cause I be all over the place. See what I'm just saying? Yeah, too much things happen. But now I mean, I'm feeling the content them out there, make you guys know that we still up in the building. Yeah, man, so I'm just there. I go and take it easy. I'm not going to draw this too long. Big up Team Sign. Says it. Yeah. So guys, remember to bang on that like button down below. Turn on that notification. Big up to Digicel, Career Couture, yeah, esports that Jamaica. Let's go. Gang, 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 gang. Big up to Len. I'm Iambo Len. Big up to Trent. And big up to Loop. But sponsors are me endorsers. You see, we put it in that work. Let's go. Yeah, guys, so go and big up on yourself. I can edit this right now and drop it up right now. Big up to the people that who support the movement also for Sigma today. You know, I'm just saying, big up on yourself, Sigma. Anyway, vlog world, we're there. Keep focused and just keep pushing. And remember, nothing can stop you because God is your rock. Whoop, hey, whoop. Journey with your boy.
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain, me get sorry. Make me